Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Husna Yusof. Today I'm going to do a quick demo on how to use a Blendspace as an alternative for digital platform. Okay, what you need to do is that you need to sign in into your account, whether you are going to use a Google account or Facebook account. As for myself, I'm going to use my Google account. Next, you can see a list of the classroom that I have done on the right side of my screen and the new lesson button on top. On my right side of my screen, you can see the list of classroom that I have. And if I wish to designate the lessons to a specific class, I need to create a class here on the left side of the screen. Okay, before that, let's do a quick lesson, a quick new lesson for today. First, what you need to do is that you need to click on the new lesson button. This is the grid that you will have in your Blendspace to create a complete lesson. First thing what you can do is that you need to decide on what to teach. So basically today I am going to teach on house. Okay. All right. Next, I need to find a picture that suits my topic. So on the right side of my screen, you can see a navigation button for you to use. You can use YouTube buttons, Google search, Google image, clickers. It's a web page from the test resources, Google Drive, Dropbox, and you can also upload from your computer. First, I need to find a picture on house. Just right on the search area there. Okay. This one's looks nice, so I'm gonna just pick this picture and drag and drop. Okay, and then label this picture house. Or let's learn on what on part of. Next, since you all know I'm teaching lower primary, I need to incorporate music in my lesson. Okay, because one way of making the students understand is by incorporating music in a lesson. They need fun, relaxed elements in the lesson. Part of the okay. If any of the one listed here is not suitable for you, you can do more search on that. Okay, this one looks nice. Let's have a look. This one looks okay. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to drag and drop over here. Next, perhaps I want to have a simple note here. What I can do is that I just can write here, a house consists several rooms such as kitchen, B, living room, C, dining room, D, bedroom, E. Okay. Right, done. Okay. Now you can enter the label. So you want them to read. So you just write the label for this read. Let's read. That's it. Next, you want to upload something from your computer. So what you can do is that you go down and look at the computer navigation button. Choose a file from your computer. Let's say I want to use one of the slides from the PowerPoint. And then I just drag and then drop there, presentation, PowerPoint presentation over there. And then I want to have a quiz here. So I'm just going to write a few simple questions. So make sure you write the answer as well. When you have write the answer, make sure you choose the right answer so that it will give some sort of indication for the student when the students answer the question. Next, if you want to add more questions, you just click the bottom part, add more questions. So here would be kitchen. My mother cooks in the kitchen. So choose the correct answer, click the correct answer, and then it's done. Okay. If you want to indicate that this lesson is going to finish, you need to end it with a picture. So choose a picture from the Google image. So drag again, drag and drop. Done. So let's say if you want to check, if you want to add more, just click add row to add more grids to your Blendspace. Then let's say it's done. Let's have a look. This is the first grid. Second one, click the button play. It will play. So basically, if you notice that everything is in one place. Presentations, notes, PowerPoint, quiz, all in one place. So it helps you to save time because you don't have to go here and there to create one complete lesson. Everything is in one lesson. You can deliver the lessons, have some sort of entertainment through musics, have some sort of assessment through quiz, and maybe have a puzzle at the end of the lessons. Okay. Now, let's say you want to print the lesson that you have. You can click the print button here, or you can share your lesson with your students by assigning the class that you want to look at this presentation. Let's say it's for year 2 students. So you click one of these lessons that you want to assign to the students, to the class. Okay, but before you do that, check the privacy. What you want your student to do. Is it to only view the lesson? Who's going to view the lesson? Anyone people with the link, or only you, or anybody who have access on Blendspace? Number 2, what can they do with this Blendspace materials? Can they copy it? Can they just view it? Or you just want them to only view the materials? So just click none. Okay. If you want to allow them to copy the materials from the lesson, you click all resources. If you want them to copy only the resources they can get from the public resources such as Google or Dropbox, click public resources. If you don't want them to copy anything, just click none. Then you click the collaboration button. If you want to collaborate, if you think that this lesson is incomplete and you want to collaborate with your students, so you write their emails here at the co-author collaboration space. And then the last part would be share the lesson with your student using the links given. Okay? All right. Now, the second part that I want to teach you is on how to create a class. Okay. Right. What you have to do is that you click the right button on your screen and then label your class to, all right. Grade level would be second grade lesson. That's it. Okay. So if they want to join the class, they can use the join class code here, the one that I've showed before. You can use the join class here to join the class. All right. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you. I hope you enjoy and have a try.